I'm Ken Elliott. I want to talk about my recent oil, Light Behind the Hills, an oil on canvas 36 by 36 inches that's currently exhibiting at the Coors Western Art Sale here in Denver, Colorado. Thinking about this oil, there are times when a painting almost seems to come together effortlessly, and that was true for this one, especially in that ethereal sky at the top. I had planned to paint a sunset, but something different happened than the usual deep, warm tones. I opted for a softer atmosphere with cooler, unexpected colors, and I was very happy that I did so. From the first brushstrokes, the pinks and aquas harmonized beautifully. They set the tone for everything that followed. Then I moved on to shaping the larger cloud and hillside below, and I carefully refined each area so the composition would feel balanced and unified. While the overall design appears simple, it took many hours of adjustments to harmonize it all. In the end, the addition of the yellow highlights tied everything together and enhanced the sense of radiance running through the entire painting. I was really happy with this result and that etheric quality in that sky. Thank you for following along with me.